how to connect R36S to your TV. I'm going to tell you the real way to connect your R36S to a television and why it's kind of a dead end. First off, the R36S does not support HDMI out. There's no hidden port, no adapter trick, and no software toggle that makes it display on a TV. That means you can't use HDMI cables, you can't mirror it directly, and even a USB C to HDMI adapter won't work because the hardware just doesn't support video out. Some people talk about using NetPlay and RetroArch as a workaround, but here's the truth: it doesn't really work. Even if you set it up perfectly, NetPlay on the R36.5 is buggy and often disconnects or crashes. Reddit's full of people confirming this. So if you're trying to play on a bigger screen, your best bet: run the same game on your PC using RetroArch and plug your PC into the television. It's not mirroring, but it gives you the same game on a larger screen.